And here's our last one with the word August, and I'm going to use a flat brush holding it inclined to 45-degree angle. If you know calligraphy, you would know how to hold this one. Otherwise, the main thing is just to hold it at 45-degree angle for writing the whole word, so you get the thick and the thin lines accordingly. And I'm just using plain dark brown for writing this word, trying to match it with the painting that we've done and not taking a blue or a violet or a pink, so that it kind of goes with the whole theme and doesn't look very, very like a pop color. And have a happy month. You can always do it your way. This is just a style that I'm showing you, but you can do it with a sketch pen, a marker, pencil colors, or whatever you like. Bye bye.